Assalamualaikum. Good day. My name is Joanne Carpena Binhamin. I live in Purok Santa Antonia, Barangay Pahanukoy, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Visayas, Philippines. I'm high school graduate. I'm married and I have 4 children, one boy and 3 girls, ages 27, 26, 23, and 14 years old. In my 7 years works experience in abroad, I'll do works like cleaning, washing car, washing clothes, ironing the clothes, take caring the children, take caring the elderly like grandmother. I know also how to cook Arabic foods like biryani, machbous, kushari, marag, and I'll do also soap like ada soap, um, vegetable soap, mushroom soup, and corn soup. I do also pastries and sweets like donut, legemat, sambosa, basbosa, spaghetti, and I'll do also salad or salata like tabula, patush, Iranian salad, yogurt, and cucumber salad. To my future employer, I'm a responsible, hardworking, and caring. I'm looking forward to soon as possible I'm working with you. Thank you so much. Allah bless you.